Hello all, today I am here to explain the Heron's formula. Okay, this chapter is of class 9th, chapter 12. Okay, in this we are going to study about how to find the area of a triangle when all the three sides are given. Okay, basically children, we know that the area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. It means one of the base, if we know and the height is given, we can just apply this formula, half into base into height. But when the sides of a triangle are given, sides, all the three, you know the triangle has three sides. So if the sides are given and height is not mentioned, okay, so there is a formula and that is called as Heron's formula in order to find the area of the triangle. So basically we apply Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle when the sides are given, all the three sides are given, or its perimeter is given, or the height is not mentioned. Okay, then also we can use the Heron's formula. Okay, so let's see how to apply Heron's formula. Before that, we should know what is Heron's formula in order to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to apply and what is Heron's formula. According to Heron's, when the height is not mentioned, the sides are given, okay, or you can say that sometimes the two sides are given and the perimeter is given, then also we can apply this, or sometimes they are given in the ratio or the sides is mentioned and there is nothing to do about the height. Okay, when we can apply Heron's formula when we need to find the area of the triangle. So what is the area of a triangle according to Heron's? Area of a triangle is equal to under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So now here the s, what it stands for? What is S here? S is called the semi-perimeter. S is called as the semi-perimeter. Okay, so what is semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. So before that you should know what is the perimeter of a triangle. So perimeter means sum of the sides, sum of all the sides of a triangle is called as its perimeter. So P is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, so semi-perimeter means half of perimeter, that is S will be A plus B plus C divided by 2, or in other words you can write it as P upon 2. Okay, for example, if perimeter of a triangle is given 32 centimeter, so its semi-perimeter will be its half, that is 16 centimeter. Okay, then if the sides are given, just we have to apply the formula here and we can easily find out the area of a triangle. Okay, so I will explain you this Heron's formula, how to apply this with an example. Okay, so here I am with an example. It's a triangle, okay, or you can say it's a field in a shape or in the shape of a triangle. Okay, and its sides are given as 40 meter, 24 meter and 32 meter, or in other words you can write A as 40 meter, B as 24 meters, you can name it as also ABC, and C as 32 meter. Okay, so in order to find the area of this, we need to apply the Heron's formula. For that we need to find the semi-perimeter, that means S. Okay, So you know S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay. So A is your 40 plus 24 plus 22 upon 2. Okay. So it means S is equal to your 96 upon 2. Okay. That means 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So we got S as 48 meters. Okay. Now we have to apply it in the Heron's formula. Area of a triangle according to Heron's formula, it is S minus under root S multiplied S minus A, S minus E, S minus C. Okay. Now under root S means now you have to keep the value of S that we have found out, that is 48 into 48 minus A. What is A? 40. So we will write 40. Then S 48 minus B. B is your 24. Okay. And S 48 minus C. C is your 32 meters. Okay. 32. Now, what you have to do? It's 48 into 48 minus 40 is your 8. 48 minus 24 is your 24 into 48 minus 32 is your 16. Okay. So now as this is square root, okay, so you have to find the square root. So the simplest way is that you need to find out the pairs. Okay. So now I am not having the space left here, so I am going to rub this and I am going to do the rest of the part here. Okay. 48. 48 can be written as 6 into 8. Isn't it? 48 can be written as 6 into 8 multiplied by 8. 24 can be written as 6 into 4. And 16 you write down as it is because we know the square root of 16 is 4. Okay. Now children, now pair up. This 6 and this 6 can be paired up, and this is square root, so we will take one common out of this. This 2 8 out of this 2 8 we will take off 1 8. Okay. Now the square root of 4 is 2. Okay. And 16 square root is 4. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to multiply. It is 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64, and 64 6 are your 384 meter square. Okay, so this is the area of the given triangle. Okay children, so children, hope you understood how to apply this area of the triangle. In my later videos I will be coming with the solution of the exercise also. Okay, so keep following my videos, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much.